I'm Tom Adams, President and CEO of the North Carolina Captive Insurance Association. Today I'm speaking to you from the gallery of the beautiful Washington Duke Inn and Golf Club on the campus of Duke University, the site for the 2021 NCCIA Annual Conference. As you may have seen in our prior emails, this year's conference promises the most up-to-date information and knowledge about the captive insurance industry that you will find this year. North Carolina, now the fourth largest domicile in the United States, is the largest U.S. domicile to hold an in-person conference this year. To take advantage of our early bird registration, you need to act now. Prices go up at midnight, June 15th. We've been more than pleased with our early registration. So join your friends at what will be the captive event of the year, and it's here in North Carolina. I'll see you in Durham on August 30th. Can't wait.